Yeah.
And we're going to show you all 5 colors. Those are the 1-second ones. Now we're going to do some 15-second flames here. So those are the 15 seconds. We also carry them in a 30-second flame. I'm sure you'll see some of those in the shows tonight too. Next up, we've got a 500-gram fountain.
Giant Saturn missile.
All right, next item is Shockers. It's 7 shots. It's a new item. It's in the Sky Bacon brand. A real great value. I like the price point of this item. They're only $1.37 each on the gold list. And we just got them in. They're available. Shockers, 7 shots. We're going to shoot 4 of them.
Yeah. But $1.40. Great expectation.
$3.99. For $1.37. No roof. Oh, they're only about to around about that soda can.
5 different
Pale colors.
5 different effects. Yeah.
All right. Those were the Shockers. Shocker cakes. Next item, another great small 500-gram or 200-gram cake. Great Expectation, 9 shots. That was Great Expectation. Next up, Mercurial Bee, 16 shots. Next item is Steel Panther, 12 shots.
Low break. All fell over.
Run, boys, run.
I don't know. That one must have tipped over. Next item, Shock Factor, 28 shots.
Johnny.
Boy, but they were wrong.
That was Shock Factor. Next item is a 76 Pro Line special effect cake. It's called Jellyfish.
Make everybody run, though.
It usually goes slower. I think it's fall slower.
It's a great special effect item there. Next up, 200 gram cake, instant replay, 12 shots.
No.
That was instant replay. Next up, Tough Stuff, 9 shots. All right, that was Tough Stuff. Next item, Mexican Wave, 10 shots. Next item, nice new item from Brothers, suspended animation. That's a nice cake.
Very nice cake.
All right. Next up, Super Stock Car, 16 shots. All right, next up, we're going to the next page. Item number 29, Old Ironsides, 30 shots. Next item, current events, 30 shots. All right, that was current events. Next up, Fireworks Fiend, 225 shots. All right. That's Fireworks Fiend. Next up, it's a 7-shot item called Attack. We also have Home on the Range and Scarecrow. We've been selling this item for quite a while. It's a great item. Attack, 7 shots. All right. Let's see, we've got one more multi-shot. It's called Hoopla, 12 shots. right. We're going to do some artillery shells now. We're going to shoot 3 of each. And we're going to start off with American Chief. These come 12-12, 144 shells per case. American Chief. Okay, that was the American Chief. Next up is the double bomb. This is a Sky Bacon double break shell double bomb. 3 of these. And the triple bomb is not in stock right now, but it will be coming in on Monday on a new container. This is the triple break Sky Bacon shell.
Is that supposed to be that? I don't know.
All right, now we're going to do our canister shells. These are the smoke and mirror shells, and this is a new formula from Brothers for this canister shell, and we're going to shoot 3 of these. Those are the smoke and mirrors canister shells, new and improved. All right, I'm going to hand it over to Matt Schneider. I'm going to take a little break here. And again, thanks to everybody for coming out. Matt Schneider is our sales manager. And Matt and Miranda are going to be around after the demo, of course. We'll be taking orders and filling orders. And thanks again for coming out. Here's Matt.
Hey guys, how you guys doing tonight?
All right.
Keeping warm?
Yep.
Didn't think so. All right, I'd like to thank you guys all for coming out again. We're going to start with the 500 grams with the cannon cake. It came in late last season. Big Beetle Battle. Alright, that's Big Beetle Battle from Canon. It comes packed 6 to a case. The next item up, Gunslinger. This also comes 6 to a case from Brothers. Alright, that's Gunslinger. Has a great duration there. Next item up, Brothers came in last year from Brothers. Light Brigade, 42 shots. Light Brigade. Next item up, 12 shot, Solar Style. That was Solar Style from Brothers. Next item up, it's a Sky Bacon product, which John might have mentioned that it's our own private label, and this is our first 500 gram cake from them, Air Supremacy, and it's also a demo special this weekend. It's a demo special this weekend, so this weekend only, it's 25% off. So that's a hell of a deal. The next up on the list, we'll have to turn the page, and we'll come up to another demo special, and it's Homecoming, 22 shots from Brothers. All right, that was Homecoming. That was a 25% off special this evening, so you can come down and see Miranda or myself, and we can load you up with some of those, or the Air Supremacy is what we shot before. Once again tonight, after the demo, we'll be down in the office filling orders, and we'll also be in the office tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Filling orders as well. And after the demo, if you stop down in the office, we're having free draft beer at the Backdoor Lounge down at the truck stop, and you guys are more than welcome to join. We'll be down there having a good time, so more than welcome to join. Next up, we're going to shoot a full case. This is a 76 Pro Line item. It's Colored Stars, 12 shots, a full case. Just awesome. That was a full case of Colored Stars. That means there's 4 going up in the air, and those are 5-second cakes. So awesome for any show finale. It's just an awesome effect. We'll go on with the demo, and we'll go with gameplay. 16 shots from Brothers.
Oh, there we go.
It must be in one of those mud puddles out there.
Run, boys.
It's a fun one. Yeah. Keep on your toes.
On to the next cake. It's a Firehawk item. It's Flipping Awesome from 12 Shots. That's an awesome piece from Firehawk. It is flipping awesome. And the next item on the list is it's a classic from Brothers. It's 500-gram cake, been around a long time. It's Americana, 37 shots. All right, that was Americana. Next up is a 25 shot from Canon, Cyborg Duel. All right, that was Cyborg Duel. I just want to give you guys a friendly reminder. We were rained out last night from our demo, so we will shoot again on Friday, May 31st. So everybody's more than welcome to join us again. Looks like we have the same green room and the same shoot site for that one. So you guys are more than welcome to come out. Let's move on. We'll go to Triple Whammy from Brothers, 15 shots. Triple Whammy.
I was just thinking that doesn't look good.
They're getting a good fire. Every time. Just to let you guys know, on the other side of the hill, there is a college party going on this evening, so they're going to have one heck of a fireworks show, and that is a bonfire they're having, so don't be alarmed. The next item on the list is a Winda cake. It's one of our best-selling 500-gram cakes. It's Super Stunt. That hits hard. Just give you guys another friendly reminder, we are having our early order sale going through May 15th to save 10% off the product, and if we're shipping it to you, you also save 10% off the shipping cost as well. So that deadline is May 15th, and if you want to get your order in this weekend, you're more than welcome to with Miranda or myself or any of the office staff. So going on is we're going to do another full case item. There'll be 4 going up at one time. It's Jet Propulsion. That was Jet Propulsion. That effect will stand out any show. That's including 1.3 as well.
As we move on down the list, we'll go to Air Boss, 37 shots from Brothers. Air Boss. That was Air Boss from Brothers. Next up, we're going to do a 10 shot from Cannon, Blue Boom. I think that's just a cool effect with the blue tips. Next up is a 76 Pro Line cake. Multicolor peonies, 36 shots, over 25 seconds. Yeah, just some great color in there. As we go from one color cake to another, we'll do Pyro Heaven from Winda. Pyro Heaven. Just some great color in that cake. We'll keep another good color in the next one. This is one of my all-time favorite cakes. Wicked Cool, 49 shots from Brothers. All right, the next item up on the list is Curfew Breaker from Winda. It's quick but awesome as that strobes in there. It's awesome. Next up on the list is Blue Blitz from Brothers.
That's a cool show effect. They come two to a case, and I like to reverse one of the cakes, and they go fill the sky nicely on those. Makes a nice effect. Next up on the list is a Brothers cake. We carried it a little bit ago. Now we brought it back in this year. It's Firebrand, 140 shots. Firebrand. Firebrand. Some might remember that as Sidewinder from a few years ago. They renamed it. Next up on the list, it's another big shot cake from Winda. 220 shot. Amazing Ballet. All right, that was Amazing Ballet. That picks up to a really nice tempo. And just run again, we are open. Our offices are open after the demo, and we will be filling orders until everyone's filled and needed. And we'll also be open again from 9 a.m. tomorrow till roughly about noon. And afterwards, if you guys want to go up to the back door lounge and have some free draft beer, stop by the office and pick up some wristbands. That'll let you get some free beer. All right, the next 3 items on the list, we're going to shoot with the Cobra firing system. It's going to be the Twitter Glitter Comets, Hummer Mines, and Multicolor Mines, and they're going to be doing a little mini show for us. That was awesome, and Ryan Adams put that together for us, and he does a lot of our shows on the side and does a lot of demos, so give Ryan Adams a round of applause on that. We also just got news that we are getting our new 76 Pro line Mines and Comets on the water here in early May, and we'll have those in June for your 4th of July shows and everything. I'm going to hand the microphone over to Miranda, and she'll go through the tube section with you, and then we'll have an awesome couple shows tonight as well. So here's Miranda.
All right, we are going to start off with some tubes. If my flashlight works. Oh, it's not working. All right. This next one is going to be our new Gold Willows. They're single shots in our 76 Pro line. And we are going to do 2 pieces, 2 different tubes. So.
Single shot Gold Willow, 200.
And those are new for this year, so it's a really nice willow effect. Our next one is by Brothers. It's the number 500 Brothers collection. We are going to do all 4 different effects. So This is by Brothers, and they're 3-inch tubes, and they're going to do all 4 effects. Okay, Brandon.
That one didn't go very high.
Was that 2?
Yeah.
2 more. All right. This next one is a great one. It's definitely a staff favorite and a customer favorite. It's Chaotic Kaboom. The packaging is 4 in a case, and this is by Firehawk. This is a great item. Woo woo!
Check 1, 2, Gary, how's that sound, all right?
Again, that was Chaotic Kaboom by Firehawk. All right, the next one is a tube by Brothers. It's a 9-shot. This is also a 25% off demo special. It's Tang Dynasty, 4 in a case. Tang Dynasty by Brothers. All right, that was Tang Dynasty, 25% off demo special by Brothers. The next one is Firehawk tube. This one will definitely make the crowd go holy moly. It's 9-shot by Firehawk. You get 4 in a case. It's a great one. Let me hear it. Holy. Next one is a new one by Brothers. It's a 12-shot. It is one of my very favorites that's coming in from Brothers. We have it now. It's Rocktacular, 12-shot by Brothers. You get 2 in a case. It's really pretty. Great colors in Rocktacular by Brothers. All right, the next one is definitely a favorite, customer and staff favorite. It's Pyro Candy by Winda. It's a 9-shot, 2 in a case. This is Pyro Candy. It's beautiful. I just want to watch All right, that was a great piece by Winda. Whoop, whoop. All right, this is the sister tube, and this is actually Texas Hold'em. It's another Winda. Get 2 in a case. This is a great one as well. It's Texas Hold'em, 9 shots. All right, that was Texas Hold'em. The next tube is going to be Never Surrender. Surrender is another Winda item. I'm sorry. 9 shots. Comes 2 in a case. Never Surrender.
Surrender by Winda.
All right, that was Never Surrender. The next one is another Winda. It has a really cool ring effects. This is called Perfect Rounds, also packed 2 in a case. It's 9 shots. Perfect Round by Winda. All right. The next one, or the last one, is going to be Addicted to Loud. Another Winda item. It's 9 shots. And if you love fireworks, then you're definitely addicted to loud, so you need to get this. All right.